Start.
Okay. In previous chapter, thermodynamics we completed successfully. Now we go for the related chapter, kinetic theory of gases. Basically, kinetic theory of gases explains the behavior of gases. Behavior of gases. Okay. Next one. Kinetic theory of gases is different from thermodynamics. Is different, quite different. Next, in thermodynamics, molecules are assumed to be in equilibrium. In thermodynamics, so molecules are assumed to be in equilibrium. Next, but in kinetic theory of gases, molecules are assumed to be in motion. Must be motion. So, during motion of gases, during motion of molecules, we are calculate the pressure, temperature, volume and their properties. Next, kinetic theory of gases explains the interpretation of pressure and temperature. Interpretation of temperature, pressure and temperature. Next, again, we know that one relation, that is ideal gas equation. So, the relation which is satisfied for all gases is called ideal gas. We know that. Next, so that is ideal gas. We know that PV is equal to RT. Generally, the ideal gas equation PV is equal to RT. But R is equal to universal gas constant, which is the product of Avogadro's number and Boltzmann constant. Already we derived the relation. R is equal to Boltzmann constant into Avogadro's number. Here Na is equal to Avogadro's number. What is Avogadro's number? Value 6.023 into 10 power 23 mole inverse. Kb, Boltzmann constant. What is the Boltzmann constant? Kb is equal to, so that is 1.38 into 10 power minus 23 joule per Kelvin. So finally, R is equal to Na into Kb. R is equal to, both are multiplied by getting 1, that is 8.314 joule per mole Kelvin. Next, Finally, we getting the relation PV is equal to RT. PV is equal to NA into KBT. This is what we want. This is the general information about kinetic theory of gases. See, kinetic theory of gases mainly explains the behavior of gases. The gases which are in motion or which are in equilibrium or which are in rotational or vibrational or translational, in which mode so the gas behaves, or the explained in the chapter of kinetic theory of gases. In thermodynamics, so molecules must be assumed to be equilibrium, but in kinetic theory of gases they are assumed to be in motion. Next, kinetic theory of gases explains the main concept, main basic concept, interpretation of pressure and temperature. Next, the relation which is to satisfy all gas laws, so that is ideal gas. So we know that ideal gas equation PV is equal to RT, which is derived in thermodynamics also, and also that is expansion of gases. Next, but R is equal to Na into Kb, N is Avogadro's number, K is Boltzmann constant. Both are multiplied, we are getting the, so that is universal gas constant. So 8.314 into joule per mole Kelvin. So this R value Na into Kb is substituted in this equation ideal gas. We are getting PV is equal to Na into Kb. Yes. So this is the most important formula, so which are used. So PV is equal to Kb. Right down. Stop this now. Now we go for applications. Let us see. See carefully, observe carefully, listen carefully. PV is equal to RT. Okay, done. For n mole of gas, what is that? PV is equal to nRT. Okay. Here, n is defined in two ways. N is defined, but n is equal to small m by capital M. Mass of gas to its molecular weight. Ratio of mass of gas to its molecular weight is called number of moles. Next, PV is equal to small m by capital M into RT. PV is equal to small m into capital R by capital M into T. PV is equal to small m into, what is our capital R by capital M? Small r. Specific gas constant is T. Small r is equal to specific gas constant. Small r is equal to capital R by M. Okay. Next, third one. In the same equation, PV is equal to small m by capital M into RT, but volume is equal to mass by density. Just remember. Density is equal to mass by volume, volume is equal to mass by density. Again, P into volume mass by density is equal to small m by capital M into RT in this equation. Now, small m is getting cancelled. P by rho is equal to RT by M. Okay? P by rho is equal to RT by M. Again, so from the same equation, P is equal to rho into RT by M. Again, so we go for, so that is, this is fourth equation, this is fifth equation. N is equal to, another definition for number of moles, total number of molecules per unit volume. Here, N is equal to total number of molecules by Avogadro's number. Avogadro's number. What is small n? Total number of molecules capital M by Avogadro's number N. Okay, done. PV is equal to, we know that nRT. PV is equal to, what is N? Capital N by Na. But what is R? Already derived just now. Na into Kb. We know that into T. R is equal to Kb into Na. We know that. This Na is cancelled. Finally, PV is equal to N into KBT. N is total number of molecules. Now from this equation, Kb is equal to Pv by Nt. What is Kb? Which is variable or constant? Constant. That means, so Pv by Nt is equal to constant. Finally, P1 V1 by N1 T1 is equal to P2 V2 by N2 T2. Because of which is constant. These are all what I am saying here. Now, these are all the introduction before entering into the chapter of kinetic theory of gases. Now, I explain the introduction. What is the relation, pressure, volume, temperature, and that is universal gas constant, number of moles, molecular weight, mass, density. These are the introduction. So before we are entering into the chapter, now Pv by Nt is equal to constant. Right. Now we are entering into the chapter. What is pressure of ideal gas? Pressure of an ideal gas. Pressure of ideal gas. According to kinetic theory of gases, what is pressure of ideal gas? So the gas having velocity which is RMS velocity, again average velocity, again most probable velocity, that is also called as most probable speed. The gas having three types of velocity which are in motion in the cylinder. Cylinder lo move అయ్యేటప్పుడు gas ki three types of velocity lo ఉంటాయి. First one is main velocity is RMS velocity, root mean square velocity. Second one is average velocity. Third one is most probable speed. Now we are discussing about RMS velocity. Now according to kinetic theory of gases, according to kinetic theory of gases, the pressure, the ideal gas equation, ideal gas equation is written as PV is equal to 1 by 3 mVRMS square. It has a derivation, but we don't want derivation. After that, in last one, so we go for derivation. PV is equal to 1 by 3 mVRMS square. This is volume, this is velocity. This is for one molecule. This is for one molecule. So, for n molecules, what do we get in? PV is equal to 1 by 3 Mn M Kaplan VRMS square. Again, this can be written like that. PV is equal to 1 by 3 M Kaplan into VRMS square. In this chapter, mass of gas is written as always. So Mn, because of the cylinder contain number of molecules, not written 1m, not written now like that. So we have written mass of the gas m into n, total number of molecules of mass. So m into n, not like that, like that. We have written always mass with tail of n, mass to part n kuda rayali, because of the cylinder containing total number of molecules capital. Next, again, this is written as P is equal to 1 by 3 M Kaplan by V. This V is transposed to here into VRMS square. Here, Kaplan by V means total number of molecules per unit volume. Total number of molecules per unit volume, which is written as small n. Now, P is equal to 1 by 3 into M small n into VRMS square. So see carefully, there is no confusion. This is according to kinetic theory of gases, ideal gas equation. Ideal gas equation. So PV is equal to 1 by 3 m VRMS square for one molecule, for one gas molecule, for one gas molecule. For n molecule, the m is replaced by n. Next, PV is equal to 1 by 3 mn VRM square. This P is transpose, this is volume. P is equal to 1 by 3 m n by V into VRM square. Total number of molecules per unit volume. Capital N by V is equal to small n. P is equal to 1 by 3 mn VRM square. Next, we go for third one. Next one application. See carefully. P V is equal to 1 by 3 m capital N into VRMS square. What is volume? Mass by density, we know that. Mass by density. P is equal to volume. Mass by density. Already I told you. Mass can be written as, what is that? M into capital N. We have to always, volume is equal to mass by density for one molecule. Here we have taken n molecules. Mn. So, mass of total number of molecules by density is equal to 1 by 3 mn into VRMS square. Mn is cancelled. P by rho is equal to 1 by 3 VRMS square. So from this equation, VRMS square is equal to 3P by rho. Again, VRMS is equal to RMS velocity of gas molecule is equal to root over 3P by rho. This is RMS velocity of gas molecules in terms of pressure. So VRMS is equal to root over 3P by rho. So must be written P and rho are different. Don't write the same as that out. This is P, this is rho. This is pressure, this is density. P rho. So this is RMS velocity. Next, fourth one. What is the fourth one? Now we know that. What we know? Already derived. What is P by rho? Just now I derived. What is P by rho? Just now I derived. What is P by rho? RT by M. Just now I derived. P by rho is equal to RT by M. Substitute here. VRMS is equal to root over P by rho is replaced by RT by M. 3 RT by M. The RMS speed, RMS velocity of gas molecules inside the cylinder. So VRMS is equal to root over 3 RT by M. The velocity is depending on its motion. Some of the molecules are moving straight line. Some of the molecules are moving as a rotational. Some of the molecules are moving as a rolling. Some of the molecules are moving as a vibrational. So their motions are depending with their velocities. So some of the gas molecules are having RMS velocity. Some of the gas molecules are having RMS, that is average velocity. Some of the gas molecules are having that is most probable velocity, most probable speed. So their velocities are depending their motion. So must remember. So this is about basic equation of kinetic theory of gases. PV is equal to 1 by 3 VRMS. This is the basic equation. From this basic equation, we derive number of applications. First this one, again this one, again this one, again this one, again this one. Write down. Next. Next, kinetic interpretation of temperature. Kinetic interpretation of temperature. What is that? See carefully. We know the basic equation. PV is equal to 1 by 3 m capital N into VRMS square. Okay, done. Again, PV is equal to 1 by 3 into 2 by 2 for our convenience. I wrote this one into Mn into VRMS square. Okay. PV is equal to 2 by 3. Again 1 by 2 mn Vrms square. This is half mv square. What is half mv square? Kinetic energy. For n molecules kinetic energy mn. So PV is equal to 2 by 3 kinetic energy, where kinetic energy is equal to half mn into Vrms square. This is PV is equal to 2 by 3. Again this equation is modified like that. PV is equal to 2 by 3 Ke. Okay, done now. Ke is equal to 3 by 2 PV. Okay. But PV is equal to RT. Okay. Kinetic energy Ke is equal to 3 by 2 RT. Here 3 constant, 2 constant or constant. The kinetic energy of the gas molecule which are depending on temperature. So kinetic energy of gas molecule directly proportional to temperature. This is called kinetic interpretation of temperature. Kinetic interpretation. Next, third one. Again. But we know that PV is equal to, kinetic K is equal to 3 by 2 RT. Okay, again. This R also written as R is equal to, what is R? Na into Kb. Okay, na? Na into Kb. So, Avogadro's number into Kb. Kinetic energy is equal to 3 by 2 into Kb. So, that is Na into Kbt. Also written like that. We'll have Koda right. Next, third one, fourth one, like that. Kinetic energy K is equal to 3 by 2 PV. Okay. Now we go for kinetic energy per unit volume. Kinetic energy per unit volume is kinetic energy by volume is equal to 3 by 2 PV by volume. This equation on both sides, so divided by volume. Now, kinetic energy per unit volume is written as E. 3 by 2. What is volume by volume? What is remaining? E. E is equal to 3 by 2. Kinetic energy per unit volume. Kinetic energy by volume is written as E, not Ke. Not Ke. Kinetic energy by E is V is kinetic energy per unit volume. That is energy density is equal to E denoted by E is equal to 3 by 2 P. Next, again, fifth one. So that is kinetic energy is equal to 3 by 2 PV. Kinetic energy is equal to 3 by 2 PV means RT. Kinetic energy is equal to 3 by 2 N into KBT or Na into KB. Already I wrote the equation here. N or Na. So for one molecule means N is equal to one molecule. So N is equal to, small n is equal to. So N is equal to, what is that? N by Na. N is equal to one molecule. N is equal to Na. See carefully. For one molecule, what is that N? Total number of molecules per Avogadro's number. For one molecule, N is 1. Now what we getting? N is equal to N. This Na is replaced by N. This Na is replaced by just now. For one molecule, kinetic energy is equal to 3 by 2 into Na, N into KBT. Not return Na. So this is Na, this is N. This is for one molecule, this is for N molecule. This is for N molecule, this is for one molecule. So see carefully, listen carefully, observe carefully. This is for N molecule, this is for one molecule. So one molecule N is equal to, small n is equal to 1, we getting N is equal to N. Then we getting N. So this is about kinetic interpretation of temperature. Means the kinetic energy of the gas molecules inside the cylinder which are dependent on temperature only. independent on other parameters. Write down. Next, RMS speed. The gas molecules inside the cylinder possess a number of speeds. So those are mainly three types. First one is RMS speed. What is that RMS speed? RMS speed is defined as the, write down. RMS speed of gas molecules is defined as the RMS speed of gas molecules. RMS speed of gas molecules inside the cylinder is defined as the square root of mean square of speed of all gas molecules. Speed of all gas molecules. Right. See carefully. So according to definition, RMS speed of gas molecules in inside a cylinder is defined as the square root of mean square of V1 square, V2 square, V3 square, again Vn square. That is by mean square of all molecules. That is VRMS is like that. Next, already we know that VRMS. What is VRMS? Root over 3p by rho. Already we know that. Already we derived. Again, this is written as root over 3 RT by m. Already this is written as root over 3 PV by m, capital M. Because of PV is equal to RT. Just RT is replaced by PV. Again, this is written as root over 3 kBT by small m. This is molecular weight, this is mass of gas. This is molecular weight, this is mass of gas. Next. So, VRMS of the speed, second one, is directly proportional to temperature. The speed of gas molecules inside the cylinder is depending on the temperature. If the temperature increases, speed increases. If the temperature decreases, speed decreases. Now, VRMS is directly proportional to root over square root of the absolute temperature, not another temperature, absolute temperature. Next, again, from that equation, VRMS is inversely proportional to density. This is pressure constant. When pressure is constant, VRMS is inversely proportional to density. Next, again, VRMS is inversely proportional to its molecular weight. Temperature constant. When temperature constant in this equation. Next, so this is RMS velocity. But already I think you are completed about waves chapter. What is the speed of sound in gas? What is the speed of sound in gas? Anybody? Speed of sound in gas. In a gas. What is the formula? V sound is equal to root over gamma RT by M. Gamma RT. Next. So now we go for relation. VRMS is equal to root over 3 RT by M. V speed is equal to root over gamma RT by M. Now V speed is equal to root over gamma by 3 into VRMS. The relation between speed of sound in the gas, speed of sound, that is RMS velocity of gas in sound, in cylinder. This is RMS velocity of gas. This is speed of gas. Now, V speed is equal to root over gamma by, that is 3 into VRMS. I think. Next, fifth one. What is average speed? Write down average speed. Average speed. V average. The arithmetic mean of, the arithmetic mean of arithmetic mean of speed of all gas molecules. The arithmetic mean of speed of all gas molecules inside a cylinder is called average speed. Okay, this is average speed or mean speed, both are same. The arithmetic mean of V1 plus V2 plus and so on Vn by n. According to kinetic theory of gases, so V average can be written as root over 8p by pi rho. 8p by pi rho. Again, this is written as root over 8 RT by 5m. Again, this is written as V average is equal to root over 8 PV by 5m capital M. Again, this is written as root over 8 kBT by 5 small m. See carefully. In these two equations, here 3, here 8 by 5. Here 3 is replaced by 8 by 5. Remaining P by rho, RT by m, PV by capital M, KBT by small m, KBT by small m. Here 3 is replaced by 8 by 5. This is average speed. Next, so this is RMS speed, this is average speed. What is the relation between average speed and RMS speed? So first write down up to this point. Write down. Another relation, V RMS is equal to root over 3 RT by MO. Okay. Equation number 1. V average is equal to root over 8 RT by MO pi MO. Equation number 2. See carefully. Here 3 is the proportionality constant which is constant. RT by M. Here 8 by pi is the proportionality constant for average speed which is constant. This is RT by M, this is RT by M. This is the proportionality constant which is we getting. So RMS velocity here RT by M is multiplied by 3 in the root. Here for getting average velocity for exact value, accurate value, so RT by M in root 8 by 5 is the proportionality constant. What is the relation? See carefully. Equation 2 by equation 1. What we getting? V average root over 8 RT by 5m by VRMS is equal to root over 3 RT by m. RT by m is getting cancelled. V average is equal to root over 8 by 3 pi into VRMS. 8, 3, 5 is also constant. 22 by 7. After that, V average is equal to 0.92 VRMS. So this is the value of relation between average velocity, average speed and RMS speed. Now we go for third one. Most probable speed. Probability. VMP. Most probable speed. So there is a meaning in the definition. Probability, most probability. The speed, write down. The speed, the maximum speed or speed possessed by the maximum number of molecules at constant temperature in a cylinder is called most probable speed. So the maximum, the speed process will be maximum number. Suppose example, the speed of 10 gas molecules. 10 gas molecules. Have 1, 1, 2, and 3, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 kilometer per second. There are 10 gas molecules inside the cylinder. The 10 gas molecules have possessed those speed like that. Which is the most probable speed? Which speed having most of the gas molecules are possessed? 3. 2 molecules 1, 1. 2 molecules 2, 2. 3 molecules 3, 3, 3. 1 molecule 4, 1 molecule 4, 1 molecule 6. Here solution. From above speeds, the most probable speed is 3 kilometer per second. Next, the most probable speed is written as root over, according to kinetic theory of gases. According to kinetic theory of gases, fourth one. According to kinetic theory of gases, most probable speed is equal to root over 2p by rho. RMS 3p by rho. This is 2p by rho. The 3 is replaced by 2. Now what we are getting? Remaining all are constant. Root over 2. What is p by rho? RT by m. Again root over 2 pv by m. Again this is written as root over 2 kbt by small m. So 3 is replaced by 2. P by rho, RT by m, PV by m, kbt by m. All the derivations already done. Initial starting of the chapter. Next, fifth one. What is the relation? Vrms is equal to root over 3 RT by m. Vmp is equal to root over 2 RT by m. The relation between RMS speed and most probable speed, that is V most probable speed, is equal to root over 2 by 3 Vrms. See carefully. V average is equal to root over 8 by 3 pi Vrms. In this one, Vmp is equal to root over 2 by 3 Vrm. So this value is 0.892. This value is 0.816. Root over 2 by 3, 0.816. Right up. Vmp is equal to 0.816 Vrms. Vmp 816 RMS. V average 92 RMS. Which one is greater? Have MP greater or average greater? Average is greater. First one, RMS greater. Again, average. Again, most probable speed. This is very most important formula, very most important relation between RMS speed, average speed, most probable speed. RMS, VRMS greater, average greater, most probable speed. This is the relation, right? What is the relation between, see carefully, Vrms is equal to root over 3 RT by m. Okay, done now. V average is equal to root over 8 RT by pi m. Okay, done now. Vmp is equal to root over 2 RT by m. Okay, done now. Third one, Vrms greater than V average greater than Vmp. Okay. Now we go for van der Waals. equation. Van der Waals equation nothing but Van der Waals correction. That's a general meaning. So, ideal gas equation, now we know that. We know PV is equal to nRT is for real gas at high temperature and low pressure. This equation satisfied for real gas at high temperature, low pressure. But Van der Waals VALS Van der Waals corrected for the relation of PV is equal to nRT for wide range means, so this is a particular high temperature and low pressure, but so the gas equation PV is equal to nRT for real gas which is applicable to all temperature, all pressure. So the Van der Waals is corrected. The Van der Waals corrected for the relation PV is equal to nRT for wide range of temperature and pressure. Next, volume correction. What is volume correction? Generally, V is replaced by V minus B because of the cylinder containing total number of molecules with finite size. Some of the gas molecules are unoccupied. B is the size of the molecule. Some of the gas molecules are unoccupied inside the cylinder, some of the corners. That correction is replaced by V, volume is replaced by V minus B. Next, pressure correction. P is replaced by P plus A by, so that is V square. See carefully, here volume decreases, automatically pressure increases. See carefully, volume decreases, pressure increases. Now, PV is equal to nRT is replaced by P plus A by V square, volume square, into V minus B into nRT. Here A, B are constant, A, E, comma, B constant. For n mole of gas, for this is PV is equal to RT, only for that. PV is equal to RT. For n mole of gas, P plus n square A by V square according to dimensions. P plus n square A by V square of V minus NB is equal to N. This is for 1 mole of gas. This is for n mole of gas. So A is replaced by n square A according to dimensions, according to dimension formula. So then V minus NB is equal to N0. On both sides we are multiplied N. Then here n square, here n, here n. Now P plus n square A by V square of V minus NB is equal to N. This is Van der Waals correction for ideal gas equation. Right. Now we go for degrees of freedom. Inside the cylinder, number of molecules are moving or in motion with respect to according to kinetic theory of temperature, kinetic interpretation of temperature. Initially, the gas molecules are moving with negligible speed inside the cylinder. After temperature increases with respect to ideal gas, now with respect to temperature, the speed increases. Already we derived the relation RMS speed, most probable speed and average speed. With respect to temperature only, the speed increases inside the cylinder. With respect to speed, the gas molecules are moving in the number of modes, number of ways. Those number of waves are determined or represented by the degrees of freedom. Write down the number of modes of the total number of modes in which a system possessed by the energy is called degrees of freedom. See carefully. This is the cylinder. Suppose the cylinder contains number of molecules, gas molecules, which are moving number of modes. Suppose some of the molecules is moving straight line like that. Some of the molecules are moving rotational like that. Some of the molecules are moving rolling like that. Some of the molecules are moving vibrationally. So that is translational, straight line. Translational. Degrees of freedom. How to determine translational degrees of freedom? Suppose this is a cylinder. Like that. X-axis, y-axis, z-axis. This is y-axis, x-axis, z-axis. The cylinder is in three-dimensional motion. The gas molecule are also moving in three-dimensional motion. This is along x-axis, which is moving. This is y-axis, like that. This is z-axis, like that. The gas molecule. Along x-axis, what is translational kinetic energy? Half mx vx square. Along y-axis, what is translational kinetic energy? Ky. Half my vy square. Along z-axis, translational degrees of freedom, translational kinetic energy, that is z-axis, half mz vz square. Degrees of freedom nothing but energy possessed by the molecules which are in motion. Now the gas molecule are in motion, so in different mode, the total number of modes which possess the energy by the system. ఆ మోషన్ వల్ల ఆ సిస్టంలో కొంత ఎనర్జీ డెవలప్ అవుతుంది, దాన్ని మనము degrees of freedom. Now translational means those are moving in straight line. Suppose this is x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is z-axis. X-axis translational, y-axis translational, z-axis translation. Next, again, this is the first one, this is the second one. Rotational degrees of freedom. Rotational degrees of same like that. This is a system. Like that. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is z-axis. Along x-axis like that, y-axis like that, z-axis like that. The gas molecule which are rotate inside the cylinder like that. What is rotational kinetic energy along x-axis? What is that? Anybody? X-axis. This is translation mass. What is rotational mass? Half I, moment of inertia, mass. X omega x square, m v square, I omega square. Y-axis kinetic energy is equal to half Iy omega y square. Z-axis kinetic energy is equal to half Iz omega z square. Next, third one, vibrational degrees of freedom. Vibrational degrees of freedom. The vibrational degrees of freedom, the total number is depends on their atoms in the molecules. Which one is greater? Molecule is greater, atom is greater? Molecule. So, the degrees of freedom of number in vibrational mode is depending on their atoms inside the molecule. Right. The vibrational degrees of freedom depends on atoms, number of atoms in the molecules. So mainly the system possesses three types of degrees of freedom. Those are translational, those are moving straight line. And second one is rotational. Third one is vibrational. The vibrational number depends on their atoms and their arrangement also. Atoms, so depends on the number of atoms in the molecules and their arrangements also written, and their arrangements. This is about number of modes which are moving, which are motion inside the cylinder. So degrees of freedom, nothing but energy possessed by the system due to rotational, translational, due to rotational, due to vibration. This is about degrees of freedom. Right. Next, applications of degrees of freedom. Let us say, already we know that due to number of modes, due to degrees of freedom, energy is developed inside the cylinder. According to kinetic theory of gases, according to that is degrees of freedom, energy is developed, internal energy, U proportional to F, U is equal to F by 2 nRT. Here, this is what? Again, internal energy is developed according, that is temperature also. Due to internal energy increases due to degrees of freedom, and also internal energy directly, that is increases with respect to temperature also. Next, now U proportional to Ft. U is equal to 1 by 2 nR into Ft. 1 by 2 nR is proportionality constant for n gas molecules. So internal energy possessed inside the cylinder due to number of molecules F by, that is 1 by 2 into n into R, that is Ft according to equation 1 and 2. Now U is equal to F by 2 nRT. This is replaced by okay. Again, but according to thermodynamics, so what is that? U is equal to F by 2 nRT. Differentiate on both sides. Then what we getting? Du is equal to F by 2 nR dt. This is equation number 3, suppose. Du is equal to NCV dt. We know that. Du is equal to NCV dt. So, when the gas molecules is heated at constant volume, then it is used to increase internal energy only. Du is equal to NCV dt. Equation number 4. From equation 3 and 4. From equation 3 and 4. What are we getting now by? NCV dt is equal to F by 2 nR dt. Which one is cancelled? N dt cancelled. Finally, what we getting here? CV is equal to F by 2 R. What is F? Degrees of freedom. What is R? Universal gas constant. Next, third one. CV is equal to F by 2 R. Okay. CP minus CV is equal to R. CP is equal to CV plus R. CP is equal to F by 2 R plus R. CP is equal to 1 plus F by 2 R. This is CP, this is CV. Fourth one. But adiabatic constant gamma is equal to, what is that? CP by CV. What is that? We know that gamma, ratio of constant, that is the specific heat of gas at constant pressure to the constant volume. Next. So, fifth one. From that equation, for monoatomic gas, what is the degrees of freedom? F is equal to 3. What are the monoatomic gas? Helium, neon, argon, only are gases we have to consider. So, CV is equal to F by 2 R, 3 by 2 R. CP is equal to 1 plus F by 2 into R, 5 by 2 R. Gamma is equal to gamma for mono is equal to CP by CV 5 by 3. Already this concept is derived in thermodynamics also. So this is for monoatomic gas, degrees of freedom F is equal to 3. In monoatomic gas, the degrees of freedom 3 is all 3 are translational. So 3, that is first one is translational along x-axis, second one is translational along y-axis, translational along z-axis. So all 3 modes, all 3 degrees of freedom which are translational only. There is no rotational, there is no vibrational. All 3 modes are translational only. 3 modes. Translation. Right. For diatomic gas, degrees of freedom is 5. In 5, 3 translational plus 2 rotational. So H2, N2, O2 like that. CV is equal to F by 2R, 5 by 2R. CP is equal to 1 plus F by 2R, 7 by 2R. Gamma for dia is equal to CP by CV is equal to 7 by 4. Seventh one. For poly or tri atomic gas, F is equal to 6. Now 3 translational plus 3 rotational. Then CV is equal to F by 2R, 3 by 2R. CP is equal to 1 plus F by 2R, 4 by 2R. 6 by 2R, 3R. 8 by 2R, 4. Gamma for poly, gamma for tri, CP by CV. 4. There is another application is there. See carefully. Suppose a cylinder consists of number of molecules like that, which having, so this is N1, N2, N3, N4, N. Number of molecules. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the CV mixture? N1 CV1 plus N2 CV2 plus and so on by N1 plus N2 plus and so on. CV mixture. All gas molecules which are mixing. The gas molecule, the cylinder consists of number of gas molecules. Those may be monatomic, those may be diatomic or polyatomic, not single atomic. Those are containing number of degrees of freedom. Now CV mixture. Next, this is also written CV mixture is equal to N1. What is CV according to the? So that is universal gas constant. CV is written as nothing but R by gamma minus 1. Do you know that R? CV is equal to R by gamma minus 1. Cp is equal to gamma R by gamma minus 1. Okay na? Just remember these two equations in thermodynamics. Cv is equal to R by gamma minus 1. Cp is equal to gamma R by gamma minus 1. Already I told you. Now R by gamma 1 minus 1 plus N2 R by gamma 2 minus 1 and so on by N1 plus N2 plus and so on. Next, what is Cp mixture? Means N1 Cp1, N2 Cp2 plus and so on by N1 plus N2 plus and so on. Cp mixture is equal to N1 gamma 1 R by gamma 1 minus 1 plus N2 gamma 2 R by gamma 2 minus 1 by N1 plus N2 plus N3 and so on. So this is CV mixture of the constant volume inside the cylinder, mixture of the constant pressure. Now gamma mixture, anybody? Cp mixture by CV mixture. You should remember these two equations. Must remember. Cv is equal to R by gamma minus 1. Cp is equal to gamma R by gamma minus 1. Power. Get it up.